in Marian Hill, but a Model A student and a Christian.
Wait, how do you know that?
Which brings me to you. Frederick, freedom. Wusinglo. A freedom fighting, bomb burning terrorist. Piece of shit! Why are you here?
Who? Me?
Ja, jij! Poes! Hoe kom je fucking hier?
I'm here to die.
Onder wat?
To die, Akers.
Ooh. I see. So you decided you were going to come here and commit suicide, yeah? You know, Frederick, in the whole animal kingdom, humans are the only animals that are so weak that they commit suicide. But you know what? If you're nice to me, I might even help you a little bit on your so-called suicide mission. Do you see these loves? Do you see them?
I see you, the oppressor.
Yeah. These gloves I brought in from Germany, especially for you. German engineering at its best. The sad part is, every time I need a pair of these gloves, I need to bring them in from Germany. And I need to bring them in because the company that makes these withdrew from South Africa. And they withdrew because of you. You and that little devil bishop of yours, Desmond Tutu, with your consistent calls for sanctions.
If Desmond Tutu is the devil, then
what?
who are you?
Ek is die pomp op die plaas, papa. Ek is superintendent Pieter de Kok. I am the ship and the flight, my boy. Themba!
Abbas!
Themba Maseko!
Mlungwami.
Yo, ne? You know it's not a good thing to outstyle your superiors, ne?
Ungathoki man.
I'm gonna have to style up now.
Huh?
Kom, maak 'n bietjie
Bring the drivers. Man, yazi ngithi awuthi ngishayiva yena yami neslek yabona ngithi ifloza kancane yabona. Ifloza sekasi lezi, mangathoki man. Mlungu, uthoswa yini?
Themba, is it not within your culture that when you have a guest, you offer them something to eat and drink?
That's your members, that's yours.
Frederick, by the way, this is Themba Maseko, the interpreter I told you about.
He knows nothing about interpreting. Minya, he's just an undercover cop from Kwamash. The ZP, Zulu policeman. Upopai.
Hey, Themba! Nog niet. Gaan half ons die koffie en die brood.
So hlangana mina nawe mfana mesikhathi sikamntombela manje.
No, Themba. Tell me, Frederick, how is life there in Kwamash, huh?
It's exactly how you made it to me. Life is hard for a black man in the township. But we make the best of it.
So this kak, maar is alright, nee.
Yeah. Skak. Minya.
Fish your fucking
Pas, hier is 'n kop vas.
Sit.
There was once a dog.
And what?
A dog which was raised by a boy.
And this boy, was he building bombs, perhaps?
No. He was just raising this dog. And he would spit into his food every time he feed it, hoping that the dog would love him. If he didn't spit on it, the dog wouldn't eat anymore. Until one day, one Sibiya day, the dog...
What did that dog do?
Wat heeft hij opgedaan? Huh?
It beat him to death and ate him. It turned out that the dog loved him to death.
You know what, Frederick, tell me something. These people now who teach you our interrogation techniques, do they teach all of you terrorists how to answer the same way to all our questions? So what you're saying is if you give the snake love, in the end, it will bite you. Huh? Where are they?
Stop it! Sorry, boss. I'm sorry, boss.
Temba!
Yes, boss.
Hey, Temba Maseko!
Yes, boss.
I see a bright future for you here in my workshop, my boy.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, my boss.
Frederick, we have it from one of your own. One of your so-called comrades from Lamantville is working for us.
I don't have any complaints, Mina.
Oh, you have comrades all over the East Rand. Do you think we do not know? Huh? Who is this so-called Viva Makwena?
The one called Viva Mukwena.